Oh hey guys, what's good, what's happening, what's going on? Are you ready for a nerdy vlog? Too bad, that's what you're getting today. Stay tuned! Or, you know, whatever, click off, I don't care. Anyway guys, see that monitor back here? That one there, that's my gaming monitor. Now, this is an old school monitor. It's an Acer monitor. It supports 3D video. I've never tested it. Don't really care if it works because I don't have the glasses for it. Anyhoozle, it's also a 144 hertz monitor. Worked awesome on the old setup, on the old 6700K with the GeForce 1070, gave me 144 hertz, but ever since I replaced it with the new Acer, I haven't been getting that frame rate, or refresh rate I should say. Reason being is, that monitor is so freaking old, the one over there, I'm a little backwards here, but it's over there, I haven't been getting that frame rate on it because you need to use DVI dual link. The GeForce 4060 only has HDMI and DisplayPort. Neither one of those on that monitor support anything higher than 60 hertz refresh rate, which kind of sucks when you have like all this potential and you can't freaking use it. It's really annoying. So I did some research and I found out they make a product to solve that problem for people running legacy monitors on modern hardware. See, any new gaming monitors you buy, it'll do, you know, 160 hertz, 165 hertz, 144 hertz, 280 hertz. I saw a Samsung doing 280 hertz. Like, dude, fluid motion much? Anyway, but for people like me who have jalopies like that want to get the performance, they sell a cable, and I ordered it off the old Amazon Prime for a good time. Let's crack into this puppy chucker and I'll show you what we got. So what we got here is, what the hell are you? A Club 3D. Yeah, DisplayPort to DVI dual link. This should hopefully solve my little potential problem. Hopefully. I'm really hoping. Are you hoping? I hope you're hoping. Gotta have hope. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. Alright guys, so inside the box, I opened the box, and there's a box and a bag in the box. Inside the bag in the box, I'm gonna throw the box over here. Derp, derp, derp. There's a way to open this bag. I think I'm gonna resort to violence, because that sounds fun. Violence solves everything except when it doesn't. So you get this simple little DVI link with a DisplayPort and a USB to power the whole setup. You need that because even just going to a standard DVI come on brain, you there? Did you quit? I think my brain quit. Going from a standard DisplayPort to a DVI becomes a DVI-I. So it's not a dual link, it's an individual link, which is not enough to push that many hertz through, I guess. I don't know the logic behind it, but it is what it is. That monitor only supports HDMI, which will not do 60 hertz, VGA, which it's analog, you're lucky you can do 30 hertz, and DVI dual link, which is your 65 hertz port. So my first solution was, I was gonna buy a new gaming monitor. And then I looked at the cost of gaming monitors, and they were like friggin' $300. And I'm like, do I want to spend that just to get a few more hertz? And by a few more, I mean like 100? No, I don't want to spend that when I got a perfectly good working monitor right there that's barely been used. This is a $40 adapter on Amazon. Let's see if 40 bucks will do the job. Freaking hope so. Because I really don't want to have to buy a new monitor just to get better refresh rate. Let's go hook it up. Ignore all the cobwebs and dust. I'm really bad at cleaning, but you already know that because you've been watching the vlogs for many years. But I already have the DVI D cable hooked up. I believe I have it hooked up underneath to one of those DVI or DisplayPort, the DVIs. Let's go have a peek-see. I'm gonna do this while the computer's hot too. That's gonna be fun. Why not, right? Live a little. It's fun. Also, you probably noticed that I do have the side panel off. It helps with ventilation because let me tell you one thing about these Acer Nitros. Ventilation was not thought of when they made them. Okay, so I was correct. I do have the monitor plugged in through one of these adapters here, which is a DisplayPort to digital video out. So we'll just remove that jobby. We'll put that aside because we can probably use it on another computer somewhere. We'll grab our, oh, there's a plastic covering on this. We should probably peel that off. Oh wait, I think people like watching that. It's like satisfying or something, I don't know. Well, it's not gonna be satisfying because I'm not gonna peel it off right. So that's probably gonna OCD upset people, but you know. There we go. Expose the unit. We'll take our cable, plug it into, see, you can tell it's a dual video link. Get some light on the subject because it's got all the pins. where if you had a non-dual video link, which I don't really have one to show you, it doesn't have all the pins on it. So yeah, fun times. Plug that into there, close that. We'll just screw that in because that's fun. And then this end here, this goes into DisplayPort and this into USB. Please have a port for you on the back here for USB. Are you shitting me? I'm using all 6 ports? Oh, balls. What do I not need? What are you? Nothing important turned off. I guess we're good. Sorry you can't see what I'm doing back here because my camera works so fantastic. No idea if you can see right now. Let me tilt this thing down a bit. Let's move this over here. Plug you into there. Wake the system back up because it fell asleep. Uh-oh. Okay, we're getting display signal. All right. Got a little nervous there. The monitor didn't turn back on, but we are back on. All right, go to display settings. For some reason it screwed up my monitor orientation. There we go. Close that. Right click, display settings. Bring that over here. Still set to 60, but we can take it up to 144 motherfreaking hertz, boys. Please turn back on. Please turn back on. Ah, oh, thank God. Keep changes. There we go. 144 freaking hertz for a $40 device. Very, very nice. I do say so myself. So yeah, if you have an old potato monitor like this, if you're wondering what monitor this is, it's like the Acer... I just saw it. I can't remember now. It's some stupid model name. There you go. It's a GN246HL. That's the name of it. If you want to look it up, you can see what I'm talking about. It's kind of potato, but like it does the job. It's a 4060. Sweet. So if you too have one of these old monitors that has the ability to go higher refresh rate with DVI D and you upgraded your video card and it no longer has a DVI port, there is a solution. There is a cable. You just got to make sure it's active and powered and you can get access to your 144 hertz refresh range. Where this comes into play is if your video card is able of producing more frames than 60, you won't get screen tearing. It'll actually display every frame properly. And that's one of the problems I was getting, especially in Rust and Red Dead. It's like it was able to produce more frames, but because it was clocked at 60 hertz, I was getting screen tearing and it was driving me nuts because it just doesn't look pretty. And I like it to be pretty. So anyway, guys, there's a quick little nerd video for you. Hopefully you enjoyed that. If you did, click that like button. I'll post a link in the description down below. It's not an affiliate link or anything. I'm not making money off of it. But in case you have this exact same setup or something similar, you upgraded from an old video card to a new video card and you're missing the DVI D port and you want to bring it back, this cable or one like it will help you out. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, like button, questions, comments, concerns, down below they go. And until next time, peace the frig out. Sit, stupid, sit. Good dog.